How to download offline maps on Google Maps. Now, this is actually something that's very easy. I'm going to show you how to get this done. So I have this map right here of this particular island. I'm going to go ahead and download this one by clicking our profile here, and then we're going to go ahead and click the offline maps. Now, I have map here as of the moment. Now, I'm going to go ahead and choose or download another map. So I'm going to click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and just basically choose that particular part of that map. So say for example, okay, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the download button right here. Now with regards to the length of this one, it can go for a very long time depending on the data that you have at that particular map you download. So in my case here, for example, this is map 6. It has 148 MB, and as you can see, it's done. So if I were to go ahead and turn off, say for example, my internet, just like so, I can head over to the map just like so, and then we can actually go there and be able to find a location from one place to another. So say for example, let's just go ahead and choose this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and choose directions, and then the directions that we are going to choose, say for example, we're going to click this location, choose on map, and we're going to go ahead and try to choose, say for example, this one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the OK button here at the top, and as you can see, it's able to give me a location, and you should be able to see here that it is offline. And yep, that is how you are going to download offline maps on Google Maps.